This is one flat Excel export, 1,500 sales rows, 8 columns, 0 structure. Watch it become a proper dimensional model and a live Power BI dashboard. No manual clicking. Every step is driven by Claude, straight to the project files. First, the raw data. A single wide table dumped out of Excel. Dates, regions, products, customer IDs, and revenue all jammed into one sheet. One giant table is slow to slice and almost impossible to govern. Analysts call this a flat file. We call it the starting point. The fix is a star schema, a modeling pattern from Ralph Kimball. One central fact table holds the measurable events, every single sale. Around it, slim dimension tables describe the who, what, where, and when. Fact in the middle, the dimensions as the points of the star. Claude writes the model straight into the Power BI project files on disk. Fact, sales keeps revenue, quantity, unit price, status, and the foreign keys. Product, region, and customer each become their own clean dimension table. And I added a dedicated date dimension myself, built in Power Query. It is generated with M code, a real calendar, not pulled from the CSV. Here is the finished model. Live in Power BI's model view. Now switch to table view and click through each table to see inside. Open my date dimension. Date, year, quarter, month number, month name, and year month. That month number column is exactly what makes the dashboard sort chronologically. Every other dimension is a clean, deduplicated list, one row per key. For relationships, wire each fact column to its dimension key. One-to-many, single direction. The classic star layout. Now every filter flows from the dimensions down into the fact. Structure alone is not analytics. We still need DAX measures. Total revenue, distinct customers, conversion rate, and units sold. Then time intelligence. The last 30 days versus the prior 30. 15 measures, each verified before a single visual uses it. This is the real model and its DAX, captured inside Power BI. With the model solid, the dashboard almost builds itself. A navy header bar sets the frame. 3 KPI cards across the top. Revenue, customers, conversion. A column chart breaks revenue down by region. A line chart tracks the monthly trend, sorted correctly by month number. A full-width table ranks the top products. A custom navy and teal theme applied across every single visual. Watch the report assemble, then resolve into the real Power BI dashboard. Click any region and the table, the line, and the cards all cross-filter. That only works because every visual queries through the fact table. Months sort by their real number, never alphabetically. Add a new dimension later, and nothing else has to change. That is the quiet power of a real dimensional model. Flat Excel in, governed star schema out, dashboard on top. All of it as plain project files, diffable, scriptable, no clicking. The same prompts rebuild the exact same model every single time. This is data modeling at the speed of a conversation. From a spreadsheet to a star schema dashboard, driven end-to-end by Claude. The skill and the example project are linked in the description.